welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. So today I'll be making a healthy weight gain smoothie. So I'm going to tell you about some of the stuff that I'll be using. So I have strawberry there that lower your blood pressure, that is packed with vitamin. I also have banana that maintain a healthy nervous system. I have chia seed. Chia seed is loaded with antioxidant. I'm also going to use some peanut butter in it, that it's boost your heart health. It helps with bodybuilding, and it also have vitamin B and E inside. So that's really good for us, guys. I also have some flaxseed that contains a high quality of protein and help to control your blood sugar. So I'm also going to add some almond milk, which has high vitamin D inside. And I also had some walnuts that is packed with mineral and rich in antioxidants. So guys, this is a really good smoothie. It makes you gain weight in the right places. So I'm talking about your bottom, your hips, your thighs. So this you'll drink like once a day. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.